สวัสดีค่ะ
ขอต้อนรับทุกท่านเข้าสู่งาน
METALEX Thailand
2025 ค่ะ
Thailand market is having a little bit of challenges currently with the change in the automotive concepts, what people are. There's a big shift towards the EV, and Thailand has been called for a long period the Detroit of Southeast Asia. So I think we see a very major shift happening from the IC engines to the EV vehicles coming in. That's also had a little bit of impact in the industry in terms of the supply chain, which has got affected. Having said that, there are a lot of new emerging opportunities which are coming up, especially in the semiconductor aerospace, which has started to take up here. So I think overall it continues to be a pretty exciting area here. And I think it's just an question of time when Thailand should be back to be a very buzzing place in terms of the business activities. And I think you can see also at the METALEX exhibition this year, the number of participants, the number of visitors is pretty good. We have had a very good start in the first 2 days. And I can see that the trend that you see towards digitizations coming in will continue to pick up more and more. And I think that will have a lot of more opportunities for the new people to add value to the Thailand market.
We are basically copper alloy manufacturers for the automobile industry, for the steel industry, for the electrical industry, and for the railways. We are supplying to the automobile companies in India, and they want us to supply in Thailand. So we are establishing the facility in Thailand. This is in line with the aspirations of our government of Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India and Make for the World. So now we make for the world.